Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, March 16th, 2011, and we are on our way to Ocean View High School in Huntington Beach to perform for their Multicultural Week celebration. We've been here quite a few times, and we stopped off across the street at a place, a coffee shop called, what's it called? Sweet Ellie's Cafe, and I got the lox and bagels. Joe, what'd you get?
Oatmeal.
Onion in the morning. Mmm.
The top end of a 55-gallon oil drum, a trash can, like a big ass barrel. They just sawed it off at the top, they chromed it up, they hammered it with a bunch of stuff, and it makes noise. All right. Who here? I'll show you. I'll just shut up and show you. Think of it as a circular piano. It has all the white and black notes. So you can do basically anything that you hear. Remember that jam? You were like 4 years old. The whole thing, right? Okay, one thing of the drum is from Trinidad. There's only a handful of people who even know how to make the drum. I want everyone to at least just try it, just hit it once, because you can kind of get a feel for it. Plus, you probably never know. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
The natural.
Are you guys all ASB? Just saying, yes, I'm just saying.
If you would like to, there is, yeah.